I think in the last session, so we had a discussion about the data takeover. So in the as part of the implementation, what we need to do, we need to first upload the master data. So master data, so what are the master data we need to bring into SAP system from legacy system? So first we need to, as soon as when we start the master data, first we need to bring the master data of GL accounts. Okay, then after once a GL account master data will be available, then we need to bring the vendor, customer, asset, cost centers, okay, profit centers, internal orders, whatever we want. Then first let us see how to create the LSNW, because in the last session I have explained about okay, so to bring the legacy data into SAP system, we have different kind of mechanisms are there in SAP system. In that, for the one which we are going to use, LSNW. LSNW stands for Legacy System Migration Work. Okay, this is one of the powerful tool where we can use the to bring the master data into the SAP system. Okay, now let us see /n. LSMW is the transaction code. LSMW. Here we need to create the okay the initially we need to create okay, what is our project, what is the sub project, what is the object. Okay, here also remember there is no standard here. Okay, whatever we want, okay, we can give the information here. I will write it here is the fi. Here there is no standard, remember there is no standard. Okay, object exists, so because you need to create the option. So I have created the project, sub project and object. Okay, as soon as you give the information, you need to click it, the create entry. Okay, so that the system will ask us, okay, what information we need, what information system should require. Then afterwards execute it. Remember this is the very important one. After execution here, just double click on this one, define objects under. As soon as once we will be here, as soon as once we will be here, then click this one, display change option. Okay, after display change option, remember select the here, see, now you can see how many methods are there. Okay, in LS1W, remember I will show you. You just come here, the method number one, standard batch input. Okay, direct input object. Okay, don't select this one. Okay, there are three methods are available. One is the batch input method, another one is a recording method, another one is a okay BAPI, business object method. Okay, these are the, then if I go down again, one more is there, IDOC. Okay, these are the four methods which are available, but most popular method which we are using to bring up legacy system data, we need to select the batch input record. Okay, batch input recording method. Then as soon as we give the, oh, as soon as once we select this information, then come to the here here we need to give the recording okay object. Okay, as of now we have not yet selected. Okay, we'll give the, I will give the ZFS00 just for your information. Okay, so FS00 is the transaction code of GL creation. Remember, okay, then click on this one. Okay, click on overview button. See, go back, give here after Z, I just have given, okay, Z for identification in front of the FS00 transaction code. Then after that, okay, click the overview button, okay, recording overview button, recover overview button, then click on this one. Okay. Now again, system will ask us, okay, ZFS00. Then transaction code. Here, be careful, okay, by which transaction code, okay, we want to record the business transactions. Remember, FS00 is the transaction code to create the GL accounts. Then centrally, then enter it. What system does? System automatically it is it will open the screen. Okay, now give the GL account number which you want to create. Remember, which you give the GL account number and the company code. Company code. Okay, what we need to do? Remember, everywhere. Okay, everywhere. Okay, you need to give the information and press enter. Okay, here we have given the GL account. I will give once again. One. Then afterwards, even if the company code name exists also, then we company code, then we need to delete again, we need to enter, then afterwards press enter. The system company code not defined. WNV, okay, we'll take the company code as a new company code. Then enter it. We'll take this company code. Okay, now this GL account already exists. Okay, we'll give the different GL account. Okay, so GL account does not exist. Now system is allowing us to create a GL account. Now click on the create the account group which we have to give is a 10. Then we need to select, we need to record both the P&L account statement and as well as balance sheet. Okay, give just for balance sheet, just enter, system automatically it will consider. Then give the short text. Whatever you want, or else you can give the preference share capital. Then when we have, I mean, when we have given some text and whatever it may be, press enter. Say system something, it is giving some pop-up here. That means a system is recording. System is recording internally. Then come to the control data tab. Which fields you want to record? Okay, balances in local currency. If you want to record this option also, you can select this one. Then enter it. System will record. Okay, remove this one if it is optional. Okay, whatever which fields you want, you can record it. Then line item display, if you want to record, just keep it. Come down again, remove. Then line item display, if you want, you can take it. 001. And also at the same time, if you want the reconciliation account also, if you want, you can select it, the reconciliation account, let's say, just for our information, customer. Then after, remove this one, because for this is the balance sheet account, it will not required. Okay, now let us go back here. Okay, field status group G001, just give the field status group, then post automatic checkbox. If you want, you can select it. Then come here, this is the balance sheet account, let's see. Okay, now save it. We have given the information, what information we want to record. We can enter field account. Because this one he made it as a group chart of accounts. That, that is the reason system is asking. So here he made it as a group chart of accounts. This one. System will not ask that one. Let's see. Control data. And this one. Item management. Then line item display also. Start key 001. Here. Then G001. Post automatic on the checkbox. Okay, which fields we want. Then come here and save it. Enter field group. Okay, now the fields what we want. Okay, click on default all. Now the system has recorded the fields which we want to upload into the system. Let us go back. Okay, click on default. Next, come back, save it. Now you can see, okay, automatically the fields has been recorded. Now come back. Now in the second step, automatically system, once the first step will be completed, the system will move to the second one. Click on execute. Now click on changes, create source. Because we have already given the names, just I will give changes. this is also not standard because z we have already given in the beginning, so that is the reason system was not accepting. Now instead of z I just have given y. Okay, whatever name you want you can keep it. Okay, now the system moved to the step 3 automatically. Now execute it. Just click on change. Okay, here we need to map the field. Okay, before that one, which fields the system has been recorded. Okay, come to the define source structure. In the second step itself, execute it. Okay, select the second step and click on the object overview list. Okay, click on. So what system will say? System will display the which fields has been recorded. Okay, which fields the system has been recorded. This is the important one. Okay, select here. Select the Excel sheet. So we have recorded, we have copied up to account reconciliation account. Again, we need to copy the fields. Up to the right ticket. We have copied up to here. Then we need to copy the all text. Copy the text from here. Okay, next see when you are copying, okay, these are the two fields are the important. Character either means here you could see character. Okay, character means the information what we are going to enter in this table in this field. Okay, bookars is the company code. The company code, it will be a alphanumeric. We can create company code into alpha or numeric. Okay, GL account which we are going to create only. Okay, numeric digit only. Remember. Okay, now the system automatically it has been derived whether it is a okay character or alpha or only numeric digit. System automatically it is proposing. Okay, now we need to select. No need to select CHAR. Okay, in system while mapping only we would require is a C. Okay, C. I will. C stands for character. I will show you that one where we need to give. C. We have already copied. Then the next one is the length. Okay, length of the GL account number. Length. Okay, important means for example GL account. Okay, GL account is the character is the 10 digits of the. Okay, that one. Now we need to copy this one. This is the important one. Then paste it here. Then one field is a missing here. The group account number it is missing here. Let us be careful here. If you are missing something, system will not work. Okay, BILKT. This is the missing. Something we have copied is a wrong. After ZU. Table name. Okay, now it has been matched. Okay, now as soon as once we are here, okay, the fields, okay, this field is do not required for us, table name and a transaction code. We do not require these two fields. Okay, remember. Okay, the system is going to read the data from here, okay, from GL account number onwards. Now remember, select these two fields. Remember, select these two fields. Okay, if you want, you can select this length also, then copy, right click, remember, copy. Remember, this is the important step. Open another sheet, keep the cursor, then click on paste. Okay, special, always click on the paste special, then afterwards select the transpose. Okay, remember, then what system does, the fields it is going to, okay, then now need to fill the GL account number. Which GL account you want to create? Now the GL account number which I want to create is a, let's say for example, okay, the GL account number which I want to create. Remember one more thing. Sometimes the GL account, the length of GL account number is a 10 characters. Remember, okay, we need to prefix in front of, okay, 5 numbers already there. Okay, we need to total, we need to make it as a 10 characters. Okay, if system will not read, some systems, okay, will give this kind of error also, so that is the reason I have given, okay, 10 characters. Now company code, the company code, what is the company code? Company code we have used is a WN04, WN04 company code. Okay, GL account group. Okay, GL account group we have given as a 10. Okay, in OBD4 we have seen that either it's a PNL account or balance sheet. It's a not the PNL account, it's a balance sheet account. Okay, now wherever, okay, I will show you. Will show you, this is the important one for you. Now /FS00, I will display the GL account what we have created just now. Okay, now you can see wherever the radio buttons are there, means it's either it's a PNL account or balance sheet. Okay, for this one what you need to do, you need to give the X. X is the capital X. Remember, always it should be a capital X, then only the system is going to read this field, otherwise system will not read. Remember, instead of capital X, if you could have given, okay, small x, system will not read. Remember the GL account short text. Okay, just for, okay, we'll see that one. Okay, just I'm giving the GL account text. Okay, currency, if you want you can give the currency, then indicator, this is not required. Open item management, if you want, okay, you can give it, you can fill it. Then line item to be displayed. Okay, this is the also radio button. Okay, this is the indicator can item display. Now if I will come here, then you can see here, see, open line item display. This is also the capital X. Remember, this is also the capital X. Okay, key for, see, we need to 001 001. Then account is the reconciliation account, it's not required. Field status group, you can give the G001. Okay, now what we have done, we have prepared the Excel sheet. Okay, the information, the required information what we want to bring into SAP system. Okay, see, in even in the real time also, when we will be there in the implementation project or whatever it may be, then when we want to upload GL master data, this information only as a consultant, remember, as a consultant we are only the responsible to create a LSNW, okay, to form in this format, and this template we need to give to the business, okay, end users. Okay, whoever the responsible persons, okay, they are going to fill all the information, each and every field they need to give it to back us to upload that information into the system. Okay, just for your information. Now To upload this one, okay, select, no need to select that field name, no need to select the text also. Okay, this, just select this one. Okay, okay, we'll take the two accounts. Okay, I will take the one more GL account. Okay, one more GL account. Will sell first, check whether the system, in the system it is available or not. Already I think it has been created. 11001 already been created, traveling expenses. 9, it is not there. Okay, now we'll take this GL account for our creation. 9, and also need to prefix the zeros. Total, it has become 10 characters. Remember, the company code is the same. Then GL account group, which we need to give, is the 11. Okay, it is the PNL account. It's not the balance sheet account. Okay, as it is an expenses account, it has been created. Okay. Travel expense 2 will create this one. Travel expense 2. Okay, so now we want to upload this, the last information, indicator post automatic only, it's not required. Then group account number, we must have to specify the group account number. Even earlier also we got the same error. We have created this is the GL account number. Otherwise again system will throw the error. Just take this one. Okay, remember now the required information what we want to, we have already. Then also one more thing I will show you. Sometimes system will not read. Then select these fields. Remember, select the fields which we want to upload. Then the always the field should be okay. Select this one. Okay, always the all the information should be left hand side only. Okay, remember sometimes the system will not read. Okay, even we have faced a lot of problems, okay, during the implementation time. Then always should be right hand side. Then click on, okay, then control, copy that fields which you want. Then come here, notepad, open the notepad, paste it. Then click on the back option. Remember always the back option. Then here we are here. Okay, don't worry. Save it. Desktop. LSNW. Then save it. Okay, now we have created the okay text file. This file we need to upload into the system. Remember, now we have not yet completed still that. Okay, come to LSNW. Go back. Now we are in the third step. Okay, no need to do anything here. Just click on the save. Already we have created a structure. Then save it. Go back. Select the define source. Here. Define field mapping. This is the important one. Very, very important one. The source fields. So it is not. Okay, so here in the third step we must have to specify the, okay, I forgot this one, we must have to specify the fields, means which fields we want to record, which fields we want to system need to read, remember. Okay, now from here I am going to copy these fields. Remember, this is the important one. Field name, first you need to enter the field name. Okay, what are the fields we have to see? Now here there is a gap, it is there, system is not reading. Okay, remember you need to select back. That's what I told you, always you need to concentrate, see even small thing also, otherwise system will throw the error, system will not accept the information. Okay, so now system is asking the type, as I have explained you, whether it is a, now you can see character. See, field alpha numerical contents. Now you can see here the fields is a alpha numeric content. Okay, now in the system we were able to see the CHAR. Okay, character, for character no need to enter all the information. See, okay, wherever the required is a numerical content, only n we need to give for the, okay, x is the, okay, different thing. Okay, where you want to give, now you can see ddm by date for amount field. Okay, we need to concentrate. Okay, this one which we want to select. Okay, during the, when we are giving the information. Now is, this is the C length, the system is asking the length. Okay, I'll go back because I don't want this one, will come from the beginning. Finish. Still it is not taking. Okay, type. Okay, to the type is the C, always C, and length we need to give the length also at the same time. Then field label name, we need to give the name here from the GL account number. Okay, here we need to make the adjustments. Line item display key for sort accounting. Get UV. Other fields are not copied. Here only it has been copied. Not group account number. These are the fields which we want. Now save it. Save, then come back once again, save it here. Once again save it here. Now see all the fields which we want to upload into the system, all fields are, now the system is asking. Okay, now now the define source relations, execute it here. nothing to be done. Just change here, execute it here, save, back. Now field mapping, here is the important step here. This is the one, execute it, go to change mode. Now come to utilities, utilities, extras. In you need to we need to click on the auto field mapping. Click on this auto field mapping, press enter until end of the, okay, until end of the one, okay, press enter. System is going to mapping the fields automatically by automatically. Okay, now you can see now it has been converted into, okay, system. Now let's say for example here you can see some values, some company code. Okay, let's say for example company code you want to constant value. Now you can see you can make it as a constant value also. Okay, remember here in the step number 5, okay, we can able to keep the constant. If you want to keep only for GL account, okay, WN04 want to upload means you can make it as a constant, means this project which is relevant only for this company code. You, if you want, you can make it as a, okay, constant values also. Just save it, come back. Okay, now this one is not required. Okay, already been there. Okay, no need to do anything here. Okay, straightforward, you can leave. Okay, you can leave the, okay, step number, okay, 6. Then you can come straight forward, specify the files, then execute it, then double click on here. Okay, first we need to do the change option, select the change option, then the system will allow us. Double click, then system is asking the file. Okay, lsnw what we have created, the notepad file, then the name, GL upload. Okay, then we need to select the tabular option. Okay, remember this one, we need to select this one, then other fields are common. Okay, no need to do anything. Then okay, then enter it. Now save. File name convert maximum 45 characters, remaining data save. File name converted data. Okay, file name converted data maximum 45 characters, remaining data saved. Okay, let's save the file. Okay, change, then let us delete this one. Txt file. Okay, file name converted data maximum. Okay, so because earlier, okay, now we can do one thing. We delete this one also. One moment, the error was because the below will select the two records itself. Now let us try to. Okay. Now, as soon as we delete the existing record, first save it, then paste it, come back, then save it again, close the file. Always close the txt file, otherwise system won't accept. Then select the file. Okay, SNW. Anyone? Then just for your information, all the fields. Okay, delete. Now save it. Okay, now system is accepting without errors. Now go back, execute it. Just change it, save it. Nothing. Don't do anything. Read data. Now we will come to know if the system have any error, specify the file. First specify the file. Why system is not files we have already uploaded. This is the file. Read the data. System is not reading. Specify the first file. Assign the files. See, this is the file they assigned. Back and read the data. Now, hello, now system is reading the file. So two records are there. Two records are there. Now you can see here not written. It's a, let's say for example, now in our file, if we have the 10 records, out of the 10 records, only system has read, okay, only the read, it's a 4 or 5. Okay, means the rest, if there are any error records where we can see, okay, not read the files. We can see here. Okay, just come back just for your information only. Display the read data. Okay, we need to understand here in this step, this is the important one. Okay, the data what we have uploaded, okay, whether it is reading correct or not as per the table. Now we can say GL account number, this is the correct, the company code it is reading, GL account group, okay, indicator for balance sheet, okay, short text, long text, indicator for, okay, line item, display account, this is the assignment number of the sort key, then this is a field status group account number. Okay, with this what we will come to know, system is reading properly our data. Okay, remember, then you can check here before convert data into system. Okay, now convert data, execute it, once again. Now here also we will come to know, okay, how many records the system has been read. Then come back once again. Now display the converted data. Okay, now here also you can check it whether the fields are okay, table name field, Okay, transaction code, this is a GL account number. Okay, the information what we have given, whether it is correct or not, you can check it here also, just for your information. Okay, now create batch input session. Okay, keep batch input folder, need to select this one, then execute it. Batch input folder, okay, with 2 transactions, the system has been created. Now execute, enter. Okay, run batch input session. Okay, now this is the batch input session what system has been created. Select this one and process the display errors only. Select display errors only here. Okay, now process. Okay, now see, system has been processed. Session overview. Now session overview, go to the session overview. Now you can see here, now select this one. Now the two transactions we were uploaded. Okay, we want to upload 2 GL accounts. Okay, then the system has been processed successfully. Here the status where you could see is a processed successfully. Now let us go and see, let us analyze this analyze the session which GL accounts has been created. Now, okay, now go to the analysis, come to the created on. Okay, now you can see here, you can come down straightforward if you want. Now you can see 2 transactions read through, 2 transactions were processed successfully. Now the GL accounts what we want to create. Now let us go back and see into the system. So, okay, now first see what is the GL account number we have given into the system. Now this is the GL account, the initial GL account number. This is what we want to create, into the system. Okay, now give the GL account number. Okay, enter. Now you can see the information what we have given, text. Okay, trading partner, even it has been updated. Okay, control data, come to the control, see line item display automatically system has been. Okay, now currency, the fields which you want to, okay, process into the system. Then come to the create bank interest data G007. Okay, now this is what how we want to upload the master data into system the same way. Okay, this is a one GL account what we have created. Now if you want, when we can see this GL account also, whether the system has been, okay, created or not. Enter it. Now see travel expenses too, just for our information. Now the text is, now you can see the text what we have given. Okay, now system has been accepted, but be careful the field mapping and everything. Okay, if you stuck something, then definitely the system will throw the error. Be careful. Okay, and also the process what we have. Okay, up to here. Okay, what we want to create. Okay, now this is the central level FS00. Okay, we want to create the GL accounts at central level. This is the process, complete the process of end to end. Okay, LSNW. Okay, LSNW, which we can use for master data upload or line item data upload also. Now I'm going to save this file just for your information. Okay, desktop GL masters by LSNW. Okay, so this is the complete the process for the, okay, how to upload the master data like vendor, customer, asset, whatever you want. Okay, you can create the LSNW and you can upload into the system. Okay, so is it clear for you the LSNW? Okay, Bharat and Ankit, for all people. Okay, is it clear for you or not? The process which we want to follow. Okay, so it's a completely end-to-end process in real time. Okay, we want to upload, I mean only as a consultant we are the persons responsible to create this template. Okay, this is what we need to, okay, capture the fields, then we need to prepare this template. Okay, up to here, and we need to give this template to the business people are going to fill the all this information what they want to remember. Okay, now this is what, okay, how the LSNW is going to work. Okay, remember. Okay, how to upload the master data into system also. Okay, you can create the LSNW, you can create the template. And also one more thing I want to tell you, I forgot that one. Okay, now we have processed the session successfully. Now without errors, come back, go to important one. Remember, now this is the project what we have created to upload the GL masters data. Remember, now the client what is we are using is a 800 client. Remember, now let's say for example we are in the development client. In the development client we have succeeded, okay, to upload the GL master data. Now the same information we want to bring it to quality system or production system. Remember, I think when we have created the LSNW, okay, at the time of creation system did not ask for any transport request. Remember, okay, now to bring this one into, okay, to bring this the same project or the same LSNW into from one client to another client, okay, we have the option, we need to export this project into desktop, then we need to upload into which client we want. Okay, now I will show you it. Go to extras. Now you can see export to the project. Go to extras. Remember, go to extras. Okay, remember this is also one of the, okay, interview point. Then export. As soon as, okay, project system is asking, just enter it. Now system is asking which we want to export. Okay, now click on this one. Okay, export. Now where you want to save. Okay, now save it here. Okay, save it here, then allow. Successfully it has been saved. Remember, successfully it has been saved. Go back. When you want to import the same, okay, if we are in 800 client, maybe we will be logging into the another client. When we want to import, click on come here, then import. Okay, what system will ask you from where you want to import, okay, remember this is the one important step. Okay, how to move LSNW from one client to another client. Okay, this is the one of the important thing. Okay, now remember, okay, LSNW either you can use for assets and customers, vendors, okay, wherever you want you can do it. Okay, this is completely process of the LSNW. Now the master data upload. For master data upload,